Welcome to Property Truth with Funke, where real estate facts helps you to avoid costly mistakes. Most people think the biggest mistake is when buying a property you get a fake document. I don't think that is the biggest mistake. The biggest mistake is making a decision without asking the right questions. Before you buy any property, before money exchange hand, these are the three things you need to pause and consider. The first thing I used to think about is the property legally in order? What is the legal status of the land? Is it approved? Does the seller have the right to sell? Is it registered? Some documents looks reassuring, but not all documents tells all the whole story. So this is very important. You cannot overlook this um, aspect. The next thing to consider is the purpose. Why are you buying this property? What do you want to use this property for? Is it to live in? Is it for commercial purpose? Is it for long-term investment? Is it for rental investment? This is very important because your location is as important as your future growth. If you want return on investment, you need to know which location can I buy. If you want to live in, you need to know which area can I buy. You know, commercial properties, if you want to use for business, which area can give me what I want, can make me make money in the future. All this is important. You're not just buying a location, you're also buying future growth. The third thing to consider is who you're buying from. Whether you're buying from a private individual, you're buying from the government, or you're buying from the company of developer. It is very important you know you are dealing with the right party. You can be confident that yes, you are dealing with the people you need to deal with. This is very important to know you are dealing with the right party before money exchange ends. Buying a property is one of the biggest financial decisions you make. Getting the right information will help you avoid costly mistakes. So if you're planning to buy a property, you're planning to own a property in Lagos, and you need a professional guidance, feel free to reach out to me through the WhatsApp number on the screen before you make any commitment. So that's Property Truth with Funke. Today, don't just buy property, buy clarity.